I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right Mandarin tutor / decide what to practice. Have you ever seen this in the Mandarin Facebook group? I want to learn Mandarin. Please help me. I don't know what you feel, but this statement is super vague to me. Every time I read this kind of posts, I always want to grab that person's shoulders to shake and ask, what do you want to learn specifically? You must be having ideas about what you want to practice. Why? Because it will affect what kind of tutor you need. Let's say if you want to have decent Chinese food for dinner tonight, which one you would choose? A Chinese food from a Western family restaurant or Chinese food from a Chinese restaurant which run by a lovely Chinese lady? We Mandarin tutors might speak Mandarin fluently, but it doesn't mean we know how to do everything. So when you see a tutor's profile shows that she or he can teach you everything, chances are she or he isn't very good at everything either. If you are a very beginner, you might want to start with simple vocabulary and sentences. So it won't be a big problem if you are not learning from native speaker. But for advanced, you need a native speaker tutor who can point out your pronunciation or grammar to help you improve faster. Or you speak pretty decently, more looking for traditional Chinese reading and writing, then choose a tutor who is focusing on reading or writing. It's better for you. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying those I can teach you everything tutors aren't good. But remember the Chinese food example. When you want decent Chinese food, you go to Chinese restaurants. Then there's no reason when you want to practice a specific skill in Mandarin not to find the expert in that field. So here comes a question. Does a certificate tutor equal the expert, equal the right tutor for you? Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right Mandarin tutor / the certification myth case study. Final, a question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wei Ling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.